in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable indexing on a drive on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to go and select Indexing Options. Select the Modify button on this page, and then if you want to turn off indexing for a specific drive, you could just uncheck that, and then you would select OK to save it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.